Okay, go ahead.
Welcome guys, I'm Tom Baxter, BAXTER PT. We're going to be taking you through one of our outdoor workout series, working on some upper body pull progressions. So let's get right to it. So as you can see, the 5 levels or 5 little progressions there, super straightforward, but depending on your ability, that's where we want you to be. One of those exercises we want you to complete about 10 to 12 repetitions. When you get to about 15 with good form, then you can step it up a notch. So depending on where you are, making sure you give it a try. And if you're failing at around 8 reps, stick with that, keep going until you get to a comfortable kind of 12 to 15, and then we can progress it up. But it's all going to help to increase your biceps, your forearm strength, and engaging through the lats. So all of the pull exercises, very, very important in today's lifestyle, with a lot of people who are very overly dominant through the chest and through the internal rotators. So we're going to help to open up that posture and increase the strength through the back muscles, which will be huge for your, even though it sounds counterintuitive, actually huge for your bench press, increasing your chest strength and just your overall posture and physique. So let's get working at it.
Wanna get down with you. Last time I can call you mine. Once more, then I swear we are through. We should still have fun, though we say we're done. 'Cause I just wanna get down with you. Last time I can call you mine. Once more, then I swear we are through.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for joining us. You can find me at BAXTER PT and Jesse Minty at the Healthy T. Thank you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you again next time.